This video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Emacs on Windows 11 operating system. The first thing is open any of your favorite browser. There you need to write here Emacs. So here you can see http www.gnu.org site. So you need to click this, and here this is the details. After that, this is for Windows operating systems, so you need to click there Windows. Then after that you can see, so here this is for Windows now. So there are two links are available, you can use any one. So I'm going to use here main GNU FTP server. After that you can see Emacs 22 and the latest is now 28. It may be changed after couple of years. Okay, so here you can see the last modified date, so 13/4/2022. So click there Emacs 28. So this is the latest. Now after that, here you can see there are bunch of different files are available. So you need to click there Emacs 28.1 zip file and Emacs 1 installer exe file. You can also try that. Okay, so zip that I'm going to use, click there on the zip. So this is the file size. Click on this start download. So it's doing the download of Emacs 28.1. so it will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video. You can see the file download completed. After that, let's click on this close. After, let's go on the download. So this is compressed Emacs. Right click, then here I'm going to do the extract all. So this location, and thereafter click on this extract button. So file is extracting on the same folder. Now you can see Emacs, the file that extracted successfully. After that, double click on this directory, then bin, then you can see Emacs 28.1. so if I right click there, go to properties, then you can see tab file, that is application and executable. And the next is you need to double click on this Emacs executable file. Okay, so here you can see GNU Emacs and this all details. So after that, you can, from here you can open the file, insert the file, open the directory, save the file, and you can write any kind of codes there. So this is the way we can here install Emacs on Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.